So this is how you can receive your curly bun, but don't get panicked after seeing this, because these are human hair extensions and due to shipping and other reasons it became like this. Because this is made with real human hair, you can easily restyle it. Whenever you receive any human hair extension product, you have to style them in a proper way so that it can suit you better. Today we are going to style this curly bun, and let me show you how to do this. You have to hold it from here and keep the string area downwards. This is the string, I have kept it downwards. And then I have to hold it from here, and then I'm using water. You have to use a plenty of water to set the curls. Do not comb the curly hair when they are dry. If you want to comb them, you have to use a wide tooth comb. Now I can set my texture. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray more water and then scrunch it upwards so that the curl can get a better texture. Now I'll do it like this to give it some volume. And now you can directly wear it or you can let it dry, but you have to keep the string area downwards and you can just let it dry first.